says that this is Inca gold territory. Now, if I can find their golden bug, it'll lead me to the treasure. Lots of bugs, but... uh-oh. It is! It's the golden bug! Come here, you little rascal, you! You're the famous golden bug.
Hey, Professor, Felix has found the bug.
So what?
This bug is 1,000 years old. The golden bug.
The golden bug. That is the only living thing that can point out where the Inca treasure mines are.
To find the Inca treasure mine, say the magic words Mungo Jingo to the golden bug, and he will point the way. Okay, Goldie. Mungo Jingo.
Hurry, Rock.
Hey, it's dark, boss.
Take off that stupid outfit.
I knew there was something fishy going on.
Hurry, Rock, hurry.
Attention, Goldie. Where do we go now? Mungo Jingo. Through the swamp, huh? Okay, but we'll go the easy way. Hold on, Goldie.
It's lunchtime, boss. How are we doing, boss?
We just passed Felix. We should land soon.
Sooner than you think, boss. Look!
Mungo Jingo. Now which way to the treasure?
Boss, look! The golden bug.
What? Up the mountain? Hey! Hey, stop! Help! Stop!
Beautiful. Felix, we had to trap you because we want the golden bug.
What do you know about it?
It says in the papers that the bug you found can point out where the Inca treasure mine is.
When we say the magic word, the little rascal will have to tell us. Okay, Rock, what's the magic word?
Mungo Jingo.
Attention, Bug. Where does the treasure lie? Mungo Jingo.
Oh boy, that's a mountain.
You crooks will end up in jail. That I promise.
Lead the way, Rock.
Up we go.
How can I ever catch them now? It's hopeless. I can't move.
Stop breathing, Rock. You're making me seasick. Come, Rock. What's holding us up?
Boyd's in my way.
Get rid of it.
Sorry, Boyd, but you'd better learn how to fly quickly.
Hey, what's that?
Okay, boss. We're at the top of the mountain. Where do we go now?
Where now, Bug? Mungo Jingo.
Down? That bug's crazy.
There they are, right below. Thanks for the lift.
This is all ice.
I've come for my golden bug.
Oh, no, no!
Felix, the ice ledge is breaking behind you. Look.
Wow!
This glacier is running wild.
End of the line.
Rock, we're on ice.
You're right, Professor. We're in the cooler.
Well, Poindexter, here we are in the Middle Ages.
Look, there's a village. Let's take in the sights.
Hear ye, hear ye. By proclamation of the king, there'll be a magic tournament at the Royal Theatre. All the sorcerers in the country are invited to show their magic and try for the grand prize, 1 bag of gold.
Forsooth, Sir Rock, did my little scheme entice Poindexter and Felix into my trap?
Yeah, they're in the front row now.
Good, right in the booby-trapped seats.
Don't look now, Mr. Felix, but there is the king.
Greetings, O great king. My entry in the tournament will be the disappearance of Sir Rock. And now, the great disappearance.
Oh, I think I'm going to like this act.
Sorry, wizard. I'm stuck.
I will next do my grand magic spectacle, sawing a body in half. And now I need a volunteer from the audience. Okay, Sir Rock. Aha! A volunteer.
I should save Mr. Felix, but how?
Your saw, Sir Rock.
Yeah, I saw him first. Ho, 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 ho.
I can't look.
Faster, Sir Rock.
Poindexter! Help!
Stop! You might hurt Mr. Felix.
The show must go on, unless
Unless what?
you can show me greater magic.
Help!
All right, I'll do it.
That's better. Open the box, Sir Rock.
Mr. Felix, are you all right?
Yeah, Poinsy. Thanks for saving me.
We're still in trouble, Mr. Felix. We need a magic trick. I've got it. According to my calendar watch, it is almost time for a total eclipse.
And nobody knows it but us.
Right, Mr. Felix. Now announce me.
Ladies and gentlemen, we will now perform our great magic act, direct from Broadway.
Come. What is the magic trick?
I will now proceed to blot out the sun.
It's a fake. Resume sawing, Sir Rock.
Look!
Curses! The sun seems to be going.
The sun is disappearing.
Stop it! Stop it! Give us light! Give us light! Give us the sun! Stop it! Stop! Give us the sun!
Spare the sun.
Poinsy, is it time yet?
Yes, Mr. Felix.
Let the sun return.
Your magic pleaseth me so much, you are hereby appointed as the court wizards.
Thank you, Sir Majesty. My house is a mess. Now, who could that be?
This is your lucky day, sir. You have been chosen to test our robot housemaid. Just give Rosie the orders and let us know how she works. Well, ta-ta.
In there, Rosie. No! You're washing me too hard! I'm okay now. Boy, I'm hungry. I'd like to have a hot dish. Oh, what's that for? Ouch! Phew. Well, I asked for a hot dish. What am I laughing at? Oh, it's you. My house is dirtier than ever.
I guess we didn't work all the bugs out of that robot. It's back to the laboratory for you, Rosie.
Wait, Rosie. Hold this man up. You don't leave until you clean.
gonna get that bell for sure. We'll booby-trap his cave. See this here hive of wild bees?
What do those bees do, Mr. Bart?
Hate bears, that's what.
You mean we put the bees in Big Brownie's cave?
That's it, partner. The bees'll finish him pronto.
Sorry, Mr. Bart. I refuse to aid in the destruction of my friend, Big Brownie. He didn't do it on purpose.
Okay. Don't get your dander up. You can stay here and cook the chow. Come on, Felix.
I must warn Big Brownie. I'll take the shortcut. It's dark in here. Huh? Why, you must be Big Brownie's, cub. I'll call you Little Brownie.
Well, there's Big Brownie's cave.
Gee!
Now take this hive in there, pull out the plug, and run.
Okay.
I'm a little sluggish today. Think I'll start a running now.
Huh? Poindexter, what are you doing here?
I came to save Big Brownie.
Well, did you find him?
No, but I found somebody else. Felix, meet Little Brownie.
Little Brownie?
Cute little fellow, eh, Mr. Felix?
Yeah, cute. Uh-oh, the wild bees are getting restless. You kids get out of here fast.
Come, Little Brownie.
I guess I'd better scram too. The wild bees are loose, and I'm trapped. Help! Bart made me bring that wild beehive into this cave so the bees would get rid of Big Brownie, the giant bear. But instead, I found Poindexter and a little bear. And when I tried to escape, I stumbled and dropped the beehive. Uh-oh, I better get moving. Those bees mean business. Big Brownie! The bees, look out!
Well, I guess my bee booby trap got Big Brownie by now. I'll take this lasso and drag him out. Sulfur and sauerkraut!
Stop, Mr. Bart. This is Little Brownie, my friend.
Little Brownie, huh? I'll just take that vomit and use him for bait.
Bait?
Yep. He'll lure Big Brownie to his doom.
Thanks for saving me from the bees, Mr. Brownie. Now let's go find Poindexter and Little Brownie.
But, Mr. Bart, why did you do this to Little Brownie?
This, son, is a balancing rock. And when Big Brownie sees the little guy up there, he'll climb up to save him.
But, the rock will overbalance and fall.
He wrecked, and Big Brownie'll fall to his destruction 10,000 feet below.
That's mean, Mr. Bart. I won't allow it.
I knowed you'd object, partner, so I'll just remove the objection.
Too late, Mr. Bart. Here comes Big Brownie now.
A balancing rock.
You're so right.
Stop, Mr. Brownie. Don't touch that rock.
Saved.
Eureka! Gee, right smack on Mr. Bart's ranch.
My ranch! Darn, 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 darn!
Too bad, Mr. Bart.
Hey, where did the brownies go?
They made a beeline home.